Hello guys, welcome back. Here I simplify physics and make problem solving easy. Okay, so if you're ready to understand physics and not memorizing it, let's begin here. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, okay, share the video as well. So come with me. Okay, so let's see what we have here. In this circuit, I have a combination of parallel and series. These 5 microfarad and 7 microfarad, they are parallel, okay, which is series to this circuit. So I'm going to solve this parallel aspect first, then it's going to be in series with this, then I'll apply the series principle. So let's go there. So for this parallel aspect of the circuit, that is the parallel, I'm going to have, let me just use Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. This is my C1 and this is my C2. So what I have here is Cp, that is C parallel, is equal to 5 microfarad plus 7 microfarad, right? Which is equal to what? 12 microfarad, okay? This is for the C, for the parallel aspect of this circuit. Now I'm going to redraw my circuit in a very simple way like this. This is my C3, this is my Cp, and I've calculated my Cp right as 12 microfarad. You see, now the capacitors, now they are connected end to end, which is in series. So for my equivalent capacitor now, because there is not any other connection again, so from here I'm going to have 1 over C total, that's the equivalent capacitor, is equal to what? 1 over C3 plus 1 over Cp. All right, so I have 1 over C total equal to, my C3 is what? 6. So 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. Just simple fraction I'm going to perform here. All right, so let me just use this side. This is, I will look for the LCM, which is 12, right? So 6 into 12, 2 times, right? 2 times 1, I'm going to have 2 plus, bring your plus down. 12 into 12, 1. 1 times 1 is 1, okay? So what I'm going to have is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 over CT is equal to 3 over 12. I can simplify it. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4. So what I have is 1 over CT is equal to 1 over 4. All right, that is not all, is the equivalent, which is CT you're looking for. So you cross multiply, which I'm going to have this times this is CT. 1 times 4 is 4 microfarad. You see, this is my equivalent capacitance of this circuit. So the basic principle is that what? Try to recall the principle of a series circuit and a parallel circuit. If you have numerous capacitors, that is what you would use. Okay, so please do well to like the video, share the video, invite family and friends. Okay, bye.